Today I'm going to share a recipe from the heart. This is Mama's lemon extract fruitcake, and my mom has since passed on, but she was an excellent cook. She could sew, she could do just about anything, and this recipe is hers. She made this for us every year, and it just always reminds me of her. So I made a batch to give my dad and myself some. You're going to be using these ingredients: lemon extract. I could not find the cherries and the candied pineapple, but this is a already cut up fruitcake mix. The recipe I have does not call for this, but I substituted it and it turned out fine. So if you can't find the candied cherries and the candied pineapple, you could certainly use this. So it needs 6 eggs, a whole pound of butter, the beautiful golden raisins, and pecans flour. It's such a good fruit cake. It's not gummy, it's more like a pound cake. And I just cream the sugar and the butter, and then I'm adding the eggs kind of one at a time in the mixer, letting the mixer do all the work, and then just give it a good stir down and keep adding the eggs. Now, I know a lot of people do not like fruitcake, but let me tell you, that little bottle of lemon extract turns this into the most delicious cake. So you need a 2-ounce bottle of lemon extract, and that's what makes this fruitcake so delicious. Now, at the end of the video, I will leave you the complete recipe, the ingredients, so stay tuned for that. Now I'm going to be adding in the 4 cups of flour, and the recipe says to sift it 3 times with the baking powder and the salt. So I gave it a good sifting. Then I'm just going to slowly add this into the mixer. Now it is a heavy dough. It is really thick and heavy, and that's fine. That's not a problem, but it makes the most delicious cake. All right, now we're going to take that nice dough and put it in a much bigger pan, because we need to add in the nuts, the golden raisins, and the fruitcake mix. So first up, I'm going to be adding that container. It's about a pound of the chopped up fruitcake. It's cherries, pineapple, citron, and then I'm going to add in 1/4 pound of the golden raisins and the 4 cups of chopped pecans. And then working those mussels, you give this a good stir, making sure everything is incorporated. Now, once everything is mixed, you can bake this in an angel food cake pan. I like to use my little mini loaf pan, and then I used a bread loaf pan to finish up the dough, because I do like to share these goodies with family, and especially my dad and I love this fruitcake, so I will be giving him some of those, and it goes into a 325-degree oven. The mini pans were 45 minutes and the loaf was an hour, and it is delicious. If you're a fruitcake lover, you will love this recipe. Let me know in the comments below if you love fruitcake and you want to try this. I'd love to know what you think, but it sure brings back good memories of Mama. And here is the recipe if you'd like to screenshot that. And thank you all so much for watching. We've got many more recipes coming. Don't forget, #sharing Christmas goodies. Thank you so much for watching. Have a Merry Christmas.